The United Arab Emirates Dirham, AED, is the official currency of the UAE. It was introduced on May 19, 1973, replacing various currencies that were previously in circulation. Background and early history. Before the UAE was formed in 1971, different regions used multiple currencies, including Gulf rupee, linked to British India, Saudi riyal, Bahraini dinar. After the unification of the seven emirates, the UAE decided to introduce its own national currency, the dirham, which is divided into 100 fils. Evolution of the 1 dirham coin. The 1 dirham coin has gone through several changes in design, material, and security features. 1. First issue, 1973, made of a silver alloy. 2. New design 1982, minted with a combination of nickel and copper. 3. 2006 counterfeit issue. The UAE government enhanced security features after counterfeit dirham coins became common. 4. 2022 new design. The UAE introduced a new 1 dirham design to mark its 50th anniversary. Design and symbolism of the 1 dirham coin. Front side displays Al-Emarat Al-Arabia Al-Muttahida, United Arab Emirates, in Arabic, along with 1 dirham, 1 dirham. Back side. Over the years, the reverse design has changed. 1973 version featured a traditional Arabic dhala, coffee pot. Current version features symbols like the falcon, Sheikh Zayed Mosque, and UAE's cultural heritage. Value and role in the economy. Exchange rate. 1 dirham is approximately 0.27 USD because the UAE maintains a fixed exchange rate of 1 USD equals 3.67 AED. Economic importance. The dirham plays a crucial role in the UAE's economy, which is driven by oil exports, tourism, and global trade. Conclusion. The 1 dirham is more than just a currency. It represents the UAE's history, culture, and economic strength. For over 50 years, a stable and internationally recognized currency, reflecting the UAE's growth and financial stability.